This is an AI generated video clip. I made it earlier today, trying to automate my B roll. Watch the face, watch the text. That is what Seedance gave me on the free tier. And right after that clip played, they hit me with a paywall. I was building my first YouTube video and I needed B roll. The pitch was describe a scene, AI generates the footage, drop it in your video. I tried Seedance, typed in what I needed, waited. One clip, robot face, text that was just noise, then the pop up, 20 a month for the mini plan, 50 for standard, 99 for plus. They wanted me to pay $20 a month to keep generating clips that looked like that. I closed the pop-up, went to Pexels, free, real footage. 10 minutes of searching and I had clips that looked better than anything Seedance gave me. Did not pay a cent. I stitched it together in Canva, cloned my voice with 11 labs, shipped the video, but I was doing every step by hand. No system, no repeatability, just figuring it out as I went. That is when it clicked. The bad AI clip was not the problem. I had no pipeline. I was trusting the AI to make the right call at every step. That is backwards. The AI is a tool. The flow is the product. So I built VideoKit, 5 stages: script, voice, B-roll, assembly, publish, human review at the checkpoints that matter, AI only where it earns it. I am building this in public on this channel. Subscribe if you want to follow the build. Next video, I run the voice and B-roll stages for real. You see what works and what breaks. No edits.